All right, people keep saying that you can't do keto for the long term. Here's the problem. How do you know? Have you done keto for the long term? No, you haven't. Right, has there studies that have shown keto and its effects on the human physiology over the long term? No. Okay, so this is all anecdotal guessing. That's bad. But I'm actually a real case study because I've been doing this for almost 11 years. At 51, yes. Yes, yes. Right? You don't see atrophy. You don't. So what has keto done for me over the years? Well, it has slowed down advanced glycation end products, right? My insulin is at its balance to the amount of digestion and the small amount of carbohydrates from plants in its natural form that I take in. So my body, my pancreas, my beta cells aren't overworking. Yes, and my blood sugar is stable. Because too much blood sugar also creates this sort of breaking down of the protein lining of the cell, and then insulin can stack up in the bloodstream and also do damage to the body. And I've been diaphragmatic breathing, and I've been using candlelight and blue blockers and getting my stress down, and it's amazing. And this is what happens. Listen, this is what happens when you want to do keto over time. You have to understand your stress. You have to understand your existing metabolic inflexibility. Like if you have hypothyroidism, Hashimoto's, low cortisol, Addison's, fibromyalgia, women who are anemic, women who've got fibroids or endometriosis, excuse me, insulin resistance, high insulin, early morning dawn phenomenon, physiological insulin resistance rebound. These are the things you need to know. If you have any gut dysbiosis, leaky gut, like all of these things, histamine, allergies. And when you know this, then you know exactly what equipment to eat, right? Because it's about the food, but it's also about the timing of your food and the circadian rhythm and clearing out your gut before you go to bed so you don't sit there with a full stomach as your body does not digest it all and the food sits there all night and putrefies and acidifies, and that's the reason why you wake up not hungry. And then your blood sugar is unstable, but what do? You intermittent fast thinking that you're going to access just the fat and clear out the issue with your liver and your kidney and maybe even the gallbladder sludge that you have and the whole biliary system. Regulate your insulin, but then your blood sugar rebounds because you go into gluconeogenesis. That's why people don't make it on keto. They have poor electrolytes, they don't absorb. Like, there are people like doing keto for like 2 months, or like, I still have heart palpitations. I'm like, okay, so your potassium storages or the type of potassium, or you might have leaky gut, right? Because we don't really store a lot of potassium. We have a little bit in the muscle, a little bit in the bones and some in the cells. But if you can't take in potassium and use it, and it comes out of you, and you're not using carbohydrate water to keep water into the body, into the cell, you might be hemorrhaging a little bit of potassium. Part helps. All right, guys, have a fantastic everything, because I am so stoked. I've got some great projects coming up. I'm still writing the ultimate keto book, and there's even more information. Forget when I first announced when I was writing the book. Stuff's evolved. Way more information to get you guys there. I'm so excited. Yes! Got some freaking energy about it. Life is changing. Tomorrow will be the first day of the rest of my life of amazing, life-altering things happening. You guys will find out. Peace. Be looking up for my uploads and for my live Q&As, which I enjoy. I've been doing, I don't know, a ton. I've been live streaming for like 4 months straight without even one antiquated video. So this is an antiquated video because I'll be really busy the next 10 days to maybe even 2 weeks. I have my Instagram is Stephanie Ketogenic. A lot of information there. I have a keto course through my website, which is stephanieperson.com. It's a membership course. Amazing. I also have just a normal Facebook, which is Stephanie, as you know, the business person. And I'm out. Peace. Yeah. Because I've got some energy. 51. Almost 11 years and counting on this freaking lifestyle. And things just keep getting better. Boop. Yep. Things keep getting better with my health, with my life, with my hormones, with my brain, with my reproductive hormones that are on point fleek corrected. And they can be for you guys too when you learn how to do this the right way and don't shortcut with eating all that crappy cheese and the nuts and the caffeine and the fasting. The body is way more complex of a vehicle than you realize, and you have to take really good care of it. Get some sleep, some vitamin D, learn how to breathe, connect to circadian rhythm, learn how to digest and fix that gut wall. Fix it, guys. And I'm out. Peace.